Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to My AI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, My AI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how My AI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
Let's say I just got involved in a new company and I'm really excited because I just earned my first check. And so I want to go and I want to put out a post about that, encouraging other people to join my company. So, huge opportunity alert. I just joined this hot new company, and within just 3 days, I already made my first $100. This is just the beginning. Get in while you can and let's grow. Right. I see stuff like that quite a bit in my Facebook feed. So let's see what our compliance in a click has to say about this. Really, what this is about is helping to make sure always is showing you and pointing you to the right thing, right? So high risk, right? Earnings claims, the claim of $100 in just 3 days may suggest a guarantee of a specific income to potential recruits, which can be misleading. You're using recruitment type language, huge opportunity alert, hot new company may convey unrealistic expectations about the business opportunity, and lack of disclosures. There's not any kind of income disclosure saying that results sort of may vary, right? And so a lot of companies provide those. Sorry, pardon me. So not only do we get that, but then we get a suggested we get a suggested new post. So just started with my new company. I love the challenge. I just earned my commission after 3 days. Interested in learning and growing with us? Let's connect. So fantastic way to be able to use something that's going to be compliant into your post.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of My AI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that My AI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on My AI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number is in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so, and I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.